Okay, welcome back. So we are going to discuss on the penalties, section 118 to section 124. These are very straightforward and we can do very quickly. So contravention of secrecy provisions relating to certain inventions. So if you contravene section 35 or section 39, so the penalty is imprisonment for term which may extend to 2 years, or with fine, or with both. Okay. So what you need to remember is, it is not 2 years, which may extend 2 years, or with fine, or with both. So this is the tricky part. So I have seen questions they are asked on this part only. If they say imprisonment for 2 years, so that is not correct. Please make a note. If they say imprisonment for 2 years, is not correct. Imprisonment which may extend to 2 years, this is correct. Okay. So in exams, the trick in that way. So it is may extend to 2 years, and it is not and with fine. It is always or with fine, or with both. So either they may just ask you to pay money and leave, or they may say no, money is not needed. You are imprisoned for 2 years, for 1 year, 6 months, or up to 2 years. Or they can say you need to pay fine and you will be imprisoned for 1 year, 2 years, or 1 or 2 years. Okay, both. Falsification of entries in register. So imprisoned for same under section 109. This is same, imprisoned for term of which may extend 2 years, with fine or without fine. Unauthorized claim of patent rights. Okay, falsely representing that this article is patented. So you are selling an article which is not patented, but you write patented, and then what will happen? By writing patented article, punished with fine which may extend up to 1 lakh. Okay, so if you are writing that this article is patented, which is not true, then you may be punished by a fine of 1 lakh. So there is no imprisonment. Okay, for under section 120, unauthorized claim of patent right, there is no imprisonment. So make a note. So there are some similar things, but there are different things. Question comes on from this. Wrongful use of word patent office. So your office is not patent office. So you can't write on board that this is patent office. If anyone writes patent office, which makes impression that his office is patent office, then imprisonment which may extend to 6 months, with fine or with both. And section 122, refusal or failure to supply information. So under section 105, okay, and section 146, you need to comply. Okay, patented invention has been used for purpose of government undertaking. Okay, 105, and under section 146, how the patent invention is being used. Controller may ask for these informations to be supplied in 2 months. Okay, but if you fail to supply these informations, then, or if information furnished is false, imprisonment for term which may extend 2 years, with fine or with both. So with this we complete with the penalties. Very simpler section. There is one more, section 120, 123, 124. So practice by non-registered patent agent. So what does this mean? That if you are not a registered Indian patent agent, you cannot give in writing that FTO clearance. You can't say that I give in writing that this patent is not infringing. You cannot say that patentable report you cannot prepare. And if you do those kind of activity, then we come under non-registered Indian patent agent. So if you do this, so first instance is 1 lakh, and second instance 5 lakhs, and for subsequent also they will ask 5 lakh only. And 124, what it says, offenses by companies. So what does this mean, offense by companies? If the person committing the offense is a company, okay, So company is also an individual entity. We know from the Company Act, the company as well as every person in charge with the conduct of the company shall be guilty of the offense, unless he proves that the offense was committed without his knowledge or that he exercised all due diligence to prevent commission of such offense. So that will be counted. So this is section 124. If offense is committed by company with consent from or negligence from director, secretary, manager, such director, manager shall be deemed to be guilty and punished accordingly. So if you're holding a position in any company, then if that is committed offense, then you must prove, if you want to be safe, that you were on holidays, or no one asked you, you're not present in the meeting, or you did everything that is possible that should not be done. So you need to prove all those things, that it is not your negligence, otherwise you will be charged. Okay, so with this we complete this penalties, and we'll not do this one. We'll go for the patent agents ones. Thank you very much.